an efficient transport system is a key pillar for developing European economy. Today, roads are jammed. Road congestion is a chronic problem throughout the European Union, and the increasing amount of road freight is one of the main causes. In the coming years, the amount of goods transported, measured in tons per kilometre, defined as the number of kilometres covered by a ton of cargo, on European roads will increase significantly. The volumes of goods transported via road are growing at the rate of billions of tons per kilometre per year. To continue to use the road as a preferred mode generates ever-increasing volumes of traffic and long-distance journey trips straight from origin to destination. This leads to critical situations, producing extra costs, pollution, and intolerable road congestion. The alternatives are called interports, ports, and intermodal freight platforms rationally distributed over the territory. These structures can substantially contribute to improve the road network's traffic load and reduce accident and pollution impact. Some transport professionals are reluctant to consider multimodal transport or evaluate new distribution techniques aimed at reducing road transport. Road haulage is essential and irreplaceable for regional or local distribution, but it becomes unsustainable over long distances. Carriers are unwilling to move their all-road service offer inside a wider intermodal scenario, since this would require an organizational change in a very competitive industry like transportation. Intermodal infrastructure's improvements are necessary to overcome these problems and to deliver a greater reach of intermodal services. But at the same time, information support tools are required to discover and use such intermodal services. These tools should cover the entire Europe area, supplying detailed information and make it immediately available to journey planners. A consortium of 11 partners from Spain, France, Slovenia and Italy has set itself the challenging goal of building an information platform that could guide and support operators in the approaching path to intermodal transport. Thus, the Projekt ARTEMIS, Advanced Rational Transport Evaluator and Multimodal Information System, co-funded by the European Commission under the program Marco Polo II, was born. The system presents the transport services offering to combine information retrieved from each European carrier or intermodal platform participating in the Artemis initiative. Artemis generates optimal road routes and evaluates opportunities and the convenience of multimodal transport routes. Artemis Multimodal Transport Tool uses Google's Maps, European Continental Road Maps, the structure of the entire European rail network, 31,673 rail stations or nodes, the most significant sea and river routes. Each route can be updated, cancelled, or it is easily possible to create new routes. The operating profiles of more than 300 interports, seaports and riverports, and their logistic constraints such as loading unit availability and real possibility of use, capability of transport means, delivery time and routing. Artemis, through a simulation system, selects the best transportation alternatives in terms of performance, cost and environmental impact, and identifies the optimal solution according to user priorities and preferences. The system after each simulation presents advantages and disadvantages of each alternative, including those that apparently are less competitive, but match the user criteria in order to provide elements for a summative evaluation. Artemis includes an e-learning training platform that allows operators to quickly become experts of the system. Artemis is an internet-based platform. The website www.artemis-projekt.eu allows users to access different Artemis services according to their profile. The information platform regulates access to Artemis. The system is structured in 3 sections. A public section which contains information pages describing the project and its mission. A social space where experts and logistic operators can exchange knowledge, assessments and skills. A protected and secured section, the multi-modal transport tool, that includes analysis algorithms, research of the optimal solutions, and features for viewing and updating private data and documents. Operators can access different area and data of the protected section, depending on their operational role. Users, shippers, freight forwarders, logistics and transport operators interested in obtaining journey simulations. Logistics operators, ports, terminals and intermodal platforms interested in providing details of their services. Transport services providers interested in informing users about their transport services and competitive edge. In summary, the purpose of Artemis is to make available, using new technology, an interactive information system designed to access and enjoy multimodal transport services across the European Union. Artemis is a secure and protected web-based platform aimed at supporting operators in making rational use of transport systems.